Our Sanatana Dharma says that Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu are not different but one and the same. We have taken a sankalpa to bring both the deities together. We are going to install a divine Spatika Lingam at our Sri Ettaluthu Perumal Gosala Tirunelveli along with our Lord Sri Mahadeva Gopala Krishna. The Pratishtha and Kumbhabhishekam for all the deities is to be performed from 8th to 11th February 2022. We request you through Devaseva to utilize this once in a lifetime opportunity of donating for Spatika Lingam and Panchaloha Vigrahas and seek the blessings of Lord Shakthinatha and Lord Mahadeva Gopala Krishna.